spaceship. I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend. Not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my ring. Watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my yeah. Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn patty. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. Fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no.
Hello. Sorry for the delay. Had an absolute nightmare with the coffee. I was so excited. Oh, my shirt is open. What's going on here? I stayed a little bit longer in the pool. I didn't realize the time. And then I was rushing, making coffee, place it behind my laptop and push the laptop back, splash all the coffee on the floor. But we're good. Let's check everything is working. And first of all, let's make a second coffee now that we destroyed the first one. Best barista in town. Even though he spills his coffee. Okay. Let's not spill this one. Here we go. Cappuccino. Ready to go. Let's taste it. That's good. I had to work for it. Hello, Batty. Hello, Evan. Hello, Ali. Having the same coffee along with you now every day. Super. Coffee is life. Funny story. I went to an Indonesian island. Let me put that music down. It might be a bit high. A bit excited. Where is it? There it is. Put it down a little bit so we can hear what we're talking about. We went for Christmas. We went to Limbogan, which is an island in Indonesia, and opposite Bali, and it was amazing. We had an amazing time, but I found an amazing coffee place. Every day, wherever I go, I always try and find the best coffee place wherever I am. So I found the best coffee place, and I wanted to buy a top from there just to remember the good coffee that I had in Limbogan and the amazing barista who was actually an art making barista. So he would make like swans and like, it was amazing, incredible barista. So I was like, oh, I want to buy a top from your coffee place. So I show him that one, which says, I'm here for the coffee. So I get home, I'm so excited to wear it. I open it up and it says, it's giving me the wrong bag, and it says here, I'm here for the beer, which is okay, but not exactly what I wanted. So let's jump onto the charts. Where are we? Is the feed okay today? Because I can see, is it dropping some frames? Let me know if everything is working. If not, I'll try and fix it. But we're going to jump on the screens. And good old pound dollar. Look at that. We found that 76.4. We nailed it to... Sorry, that's not the one. What are we on? This is daily now. We need to go a lot lower. Whoever watched the video on the simplest strategy for ICT to trade, I've still got the lines on there so we can see above equilibrium, and if I zoom out a little bit to the side, we can see we're in the red, far away from the green, which means we can start looking for a potential opportunity to short this if price breaks higher. We haven't put our dailies yet. These are the yesterday's dailies. We're going to move all that. What did I want to show you now? Oh yeah, I want to go on the 1 hour and look at this move. Where are my smiley faces? Ah, I know. I'm on the wrong pound dollar. There it is. Look at that. 76.4, touched it twice. Boom! To the moon. If you were here, we called it 83 pips on that. I got just, I got 10 here and another 10 here, 20 pips out of 80. I'll take that. We have crossed into the next allocation for Darwin X, which means if everything stands as it is now, we're gonna have $50,000 to add on our capital, which is 250 fivers, 25, is it 25 instant funding, and Darwin X now is 25. So we're breaking above 350,000, which is great. And that has been a great move. So there's bound to be a little bit of a retracement. We need to see now, let's take this out. We need to see where the dailies are. Let's go on the dailies. Internet's struggling a little bit, I think. Maybe it's just me. Okay, we've dropped down. Damn. Damn. Look at that. We called it. That's where we thought it was going to go. Get a fib on there. Okay, what I'm seeing so far, pound dollar has been behaving really well. So I might start trading normally. So I've been testing the market to see what conditions we're in. But this has been really good so far. We're gonna wait for what we got there. Nothing there. We're gonna wait for a push up. Let me get my scruffies in. The level there is on the high. Okay, let's put that in there. Fair value gain, no. Buy side liquidity. All right, let's get rid of these, get rid of this one, get rid of that one, get rid of that one, Get rid of the break of structures. Get rid of that one. This, okay, we got the fair value gap by sub liquidity. Yeah, we're still looking at that. Where are we? We're exactly just below. Have I put that correct? 70, that's good enough. 76 for. So I'm anticipating a little bit higher push. We're nice and extended. I like where we are. Let's have a look at our fundamentals. Oh no, expired. Okay, we won't look at that today. I thought it was automatic. I'll see if I can do it whilst we're on the live. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to not use it today, which is a pain. I like using stuff when I'm used to it. Let me see if I can easily renew it. If I can. And I'll come back to the chat, guys. I'm coming a bit late into the pre-market, so I just want to make sure I'm not losing any opportunities. And then I'll jump into the chat and see how everyone is. Institutional, let's go here, buy. That one, will it take my discount is the question. Hey, it took it. Okay. So from 129, I get it for 116. That's not bad. What else do I need to do? Pay. Here comes the green candle. Keep pushing up. Let's go up. All right, good. I've upgraded it. Go to dashboard. We should be back online with PMT. See? Do 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 do. Give me a second, guys. It's taking its time. Maybe I need to refresh it. Let me just close that. Right, let's see. 15 minutes. Let's go on the 15-minute just to see what the vibe is. What's the vibe? Come on, green candles. Let's push. 1, 2, 7, 8. Let's get there. Let's get there. What's that? Just 7 pips. Come on. Let's push. There's our next target. Hello, 1, 2, 8s. One, 2, 800. That is how far? 25 pips. Interesting. Interesting. I also want to put the 76.4 in there. Right there. And that is I think it's a 4-hour. Let's look at the fib. Get rid of the scruffy levels. Yeah, I would say that's a 4-hour daily. Forgot about this one. So we broke below the one below. This is this. I wanna see what this is. We're hovering at the 61. Right, so this is an interesting one. Luckily, I opened the daily. I was getting too bogged down on the 4. 76.4. This one here is interesting. No. This is a daily fib. 61.8. Let's put the 61.8 in there. Okay, let's get rid of that now. Those are the two that we're interested in. So we're getting close to an OTE here. And this one, what's this one? This one is that's the big one there, 23. This is more like a weekly. Yeah, that's the weekly move, or monthly move even. Yeah, okay, so this is a monthly, so let's put the 23 in there. Have I put it already? I might have put it already. Not yet. Okay, so 23 is right there. And that is a monthly. Okay, so I've got my fibs in there. Now I can take out the big one. I can take out the daily. I want to go now to the 4 hour. All right, so we're going to see 1277.70. I can't remember why I labeled that. I can't remember the 127770. That's why you should label everything that you put on. All right, so let's take that purple. Ah, wait, is that the 76.4? That makes sense now. I'm gonna change that color to like, let's go with a light blue. And I wanna change that to dashed. And I wanna type on this. This is like intraday fib. I'm going to save that. The text can be purple. That's fine. Save that as intraday fib. Press save. Okay. Okay, so I've got my 76.4 in there. Now we can clean the charts. I don't need the fib. I do want to see the 64 as well. There we go. This one, now I can do the same. We know that's 64. Right, let's close this now. And then let's get the chart ready and clean. So I've got previous daily high, previous daily low, 61.8, 76.4. Right, I know that this is liquidity, so I don't need that one. I like my fib there. I like my 128. I know that buy side liquidity is there with a nice interest on a daily. On a daily, which is, I need to label things. I think it's the 76.4. Yeah. Okay, one more time. Not the most efficient, but it works. 76.4, 61.8. Okay. All right, let's do that. 76.4 and 61.8. Do it to the right. Okay, the black, bold. Okay. Same with this. Go right, bold. Okay. Okay, right. We're getting there. 15 minutes. Nice, we've got 20 minutes to get ready. So, what do we have now? We have our previous daily high. Equilibrium is down here. So we're in premium. We've taken out liquidity above here. I want to see a little bit more push. Why? Just because I want to be able to manage it easier. Looks good. Let me just close everything and restart it, otherwise you're not going to be able to see anything. And hopefully this internet gets back to normal. Right, I'll see you in a second. Let me just... I think we might be back. It looks all good my side. Just did a big old reboot. Unplug, plug in. Let me know if it's working. Oh, let's get back onto that pound dollar. Today it's not my day, eh? Spilling coffee. Internet's not working. I guess it's me to blame for being in the pool for too long. Let me just check the stream. It looks a little bit better, and the data is coming in really good. So hopefully it's working now. I want to see where we are. Okay, come on, pound dollar, load up. I can't wait to build my own computer. I just want fast internet. I'm gonna have backup internet with Tesla's, what does it call it? The satellite internet. Okay, so we've had a little bit of a push down here. Let's see where we are on the silver bullet. Let's go on these. Silver bullet, where are you? Indicator. Yeah, let's have a look at euro. Let me just see what's going on in pound dollar, because I don't want to miss any trades, and then I'll jump on the others. Look at this. What is this? Come on. How am I going to work like this? It's going to take its time, isn't it? Right, let's review that. Let's go back on it. Whilst that's happening, let's log into our PMT, hopefully. Life is good though. Life is good. There we go, a bit of patience. And it flies on the other way. Bit of patience and everything will work. Apart from the indicators. Let's leave it do its thing for a second. Yesterday we had a really good Q&A on the Vanguard. We had Deddy. I don't know if Deddy is here, new member. It was great to connect with you from Indonesia, close to Singapore. Some really insightful stuff, how trauma is actually impacting our trading, if we know it, or even if we don't know it, it's just happening in the background. So how powerful it is to acknowledge what that is and what you can do about it, and why that can lead to not closing trades, letting trades run for too long, all the good stuff that we have to deal with trading. Right, that's not going to work, is it? I might have to just trade from MT5. It's all happening today. Give me at least the chart. Okay, I can work with that. So what I'm looking on here, I'm looking for the fair value gap. I do want to see this come in and tap at least that intraday 76.4. I would like that. Do that pound. I know it was close there. It was literally 3 pips away. But I've got 65 pips to deal with. As always, you know me, I always think of the risk first. I don't worry about the profit. Profit's gonna come. It's already there. It's already happened. So if I can control my risk, then the profit will just be as easy peasy as it comes. So 76.4, 61.8 there. My OCD, I want to change that to black. It's not happy. Okay, save. Right, so that's the plan. We've got 15 minutes. We're gonna see what I would ideally like to see, and I'm not just to see something like crazy like that, but obviously that's not gonna open like that, because I'm at this where we are now. I'm looking for shorts, and you might be why. Well, we are in premium arena above previous daily highs. We've taken liquidity above this. Equal highs here. We've got a nice fair value gap that is being tapped into. Nearly tapped into. So I'm going to see if that's going to happen. Nice retracement of this move to 76.4, which is the OTE. Nice buy side liquidity on the top here. So this means that I can be patient and get opportunities above here, here. And if I'm completely wrong, look at that, a monthly level there on the scruffy. A lot of interest around here. This is where I like. Yanni or Conscious Day Trade likes around here. 128. I like. But I'm gonna have to wait. What are you seeing? What are you seeing? Because I am not seeing something yet. Boom. And what I mean by that, just by opening the euro dollar, if you remember, I have been bearish on the euro dollar because of fundamentals, which will add in. So what I would be waiting for is a push here into that fair value gap there. Before that happens, I don't think I would be interested. Let's see. Go to 15. Okay, so Ali, hello buddy. Stream is like a Alex. That's a new name. Yes, I'm looking for the same. It will eventually tap today at that fair value gap, grabbing NFP highs. You sound very excited, Batish. I thought it was like something's happening right now. So it sounds like you're on the same page. By the way, did you get funded? I think you must have been close, right? Actually, you might. Maybe you had a not so good day. When was it? 2 days ago or something. So we'll see if you can recover that. Get the euro in. Right. If we're gonna be doing this, we're gonna need alerts, because now that I'm trading more pairs, I won't have eyes on the pound dollar like I normally do. So I need to put alerts in there. Right. So I want to know if the euro dollar breaks this. And alerts, what should we do alerts? Let's do conscious day trader purple. Actually, it's kind of pinkish, isn't it? The logo. So let's go with a, I like the pinky. There we go. Give me that as an alert. Let me know immediately when that happens. Okay. This can sell off easily. I am not interested, even though my bias is short generally on the pound dollar, on the euro dollar. I am not interested yet because I'm very patient. What about Aussie dollar? Is there anything there would be need to be aware? Okay. Let's turn this off. So my bias on the Aussie dollar was long, but it was decreasing in intensity. Let me just log in. I tested my my discount on my own, so I managed to get from 129. I got it for what did I get it for? 116. Not bad dollars. So that's nearly like £100 for something like this. Less than a day of trading to get this, so not bad. We'll let that load in the background. Right, what are we looking at for here? Actually, let's put the alerts on the pound dollar first, because we are 8 minutes away. What do we have here? Well, you can see these candles. You can't see it there very clearly, but obviously these are fair value gaps, right? The only reason you can't see them, is it still laggy? I hope we sorted that, Batish. Let me know if it's laggy. Ugh, why is it laggy again? I don't know how to fix that now. I thought that would have fixed it. Maybe I turn off this. So, we're looking for break of structure, obviously. Maybe I know might be lucky. Yeah, it's lucky like hell. All right, let me see if I can do something. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure why. Maybe I can decrease the quality. I guess we're gonna have to work with this for now. Hopefully it gets better. 30. I'm on 30 frames per second, so that shouldn't be heavy. The life. The problems of streaming. So what I'm looking for is, we're currently trading in that fair value gap right now. So in an ideal world, that will be the reaction. We are in silver bullet time as well, if this works. There we go. I want to see my boy Toki. Wherever this closes, right? Wherever this candle closes, if it doesn't close above here, we've got another fair value gap there for a bearish position. So we'll see. At the moment, it looks like it's filled the fair value gap there. But what I'm talking about is this bad boy here. We've got a bit of a fair value gap there. This is on a 15-minute, so we'll see if that retraces here to close and then push down. I think this is, if you think of how far up we are from the previous daily high, I would like to push, if it can push in here, just do it for us. Just do a little dip like that. That would be great. Take out some liquidity. It's fine now. It's lagging. Sometimes doesn't matter. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably Bali. Every time we have the rain come, the internet is just bad. But this is what we've got, and this is what we're gonna get. So 1 hour. Let's see. Like I was saying about fair value gaps. You can't see them on the 15, but look at that. Look how evident it is when you just go on the hour. And this has been a big move up with not a lot of retracement. So what do we anticipate? If the 23 doesn't break below, then I believe that we can push up and take the intraday fib. If we break below the 23, I will be waiting for a retracement into the 5s. Or at least the previous daily high to start looking for longs. Because my detailed analysis, has PMT opened? My detailed analysis of fundamentals has been that the pound dollar is currently neutral. And my Excel sheet is also showing neutral. However, look at this. Now it's starting to be bullish on the... okay. I wouldn't consider this bullish. Why? Because the COD data is neutral. Yes, we have a little bit of an increase in positions long. But the DXM, which is dumb money index, is positioning long. What? That's saying short. Okay. Maybe there's a change. Let me see. I guess there's an increase. Open interest. Positions. Okay, still overall shorts with 30,500. Why is that showing me? DXM 30,000 short. Well, there we go. It's updated. But the bias is bullish. That's interesting. Why is it given this bullish? Oh, of course. I'm being dumb, sorry. Because their positions are short, obviously that gives you a strong position for bullishness because everyone is shorting the pound dollar right now. And what are we doing? We're looking for shorts. So what does that mean? We're lining up with the DXM, which means we need to be even more patient because everyone is shorting this right now. And a lot of the times people get it right, so you might miss some moves. But I would rather be on the institutional side. All right, let's have a look on the institutional side. There is a little bit of confluence here on the COD data. We can see we had a swap. Look at that. From net shorts to net longs now. 29% net percentage to 8.7. This is the dealership. So if I go... We've increased in long positions 15% from 12 and 9. Shorts have decreased. So overall, we've got 26,800 institutional traders are in long positions. So that's another confluence that we can look at. I want to see the asset managers as well. Good morning, Martin. Asset managements, 25, 23, slightly increasing in short positions. 52. It's average around 50, so pretty much the same. Slight decrease by 2%, but if you consider the magnitude, it's not that big. Okay, so we can see we're net positive. One more we're going to look at is the leverage funds. So this shouldn't have any short positions. Sorry, long positions on the USD. That's correct. So increase in long positions, increase by 1% in short positions, but pretty even. Okay. So overall, the core data is suggesting that people are more interested in going against the dollar right now, which is risk on in terms of fundamentals. So that's something we need to bear in mind. We tapped into the fair value gap. Nice. We're going to see if we're going to push to that 23. If not, what did we say we want to see? We want to see another push higher. Let's look at euro dollar. That's hovering around there. DXY. Ooh, hello Gap. How are you today? Okay. So this could be the push to fill this gap. An hourly gap. That's quite a big one. Let's get rid of the silver bullet times for a second. Okay, we'll see if that gets filled now. If that pushes up, that would be a push into above the 23. We're looking for above close 23. We'll see where that closes in the next hour. A close above the 23 would be a nice indication that we could be pushing to fill the gap and also hit that 50% retracement. I can show the settings. Give me a sec. Right, so we've had a rejection of the break of structure there. Sell side's been taken out. We've taken that fair value gap. We haven't broken below the 50% of that fair value gap. We have another one there, and that will take us all the way to the previous daily. If you remember, if I go down to the 15, now we have this one. Let's move this. Move this there. That fair value gap is sitting right in the golden zone of the retracement. Right, so Fibonacci, this is the one. I'll put it there. Settings, there you go. You can take a screenshot of that. Give it for a few seconds. You can always go back on the stream if you've missed something. Make sure your background is quite low as well so you can see what's going on. I put the trend lines on grey, so it's not bad for your eyes, even though I'm trading on a white screen, which a lot of people would cringe. Bad habits from Scruffy. He trades on a white screen. Just woke up to a winning trade in at 127.18 yesterday, out at 127.64. Good job. Nicely done. Right, so DXY, let's focus on the DXY for a second, because this is the most interesting thing about today. We've had a gap down. Let's go on the hourly. Now the candle is coming in. It is coming in. Look at this volume starting. This is an hourly candle, so there's quite a bit of volume on that. However, on the pound dollar, we're not moving. Interesting. Let's get this fill. I want to see this filled. I don't want to be trading with the gap above me. Because remember, I want the price to go short. But at a higher level. Everything is running in low today. I don't know what's going on. Let's close that. One day, I'll have my studio. I'll pay someone to make it perfect. I'll just click a button, come live. That's the plan. Right, so similar thing happened here, right? You see this? Look at this. We're getting higher highs, and the gap got filled and pushed way up higher. So could this be another push strengthening on the dollar index? Now, news-wise, it's the good thing about what I like about a terminal is you have everything there. I just love it. Got my news, got everything. Okay, some positive news. The pound USD pairs holds positive ground. Blah blah blah. Oil neutral. Overall, a bit more green, and but a lot of neutral. You see this orange candle here, 5 neutral scores. Quite a nice indication there of the sentiment. Not that one. Volume is currently sitting at, what's this? This is 126. 126. One, two, six. 126. Still not got into the gap. 126. That's my MT5. Nice little retracement there into the fair value gap. Now we're pushing even higher. Hopefully, we'll get confirmed and our patience will pay off. That's the game of trading, guys. Patience. And if you can't be patient, that's when you do work to find out why you can't be patient. Euro dollar now is getting rejection above the previous daily high. Let's see that push up. Let's see it. Come on. Let's see it. Let's get even more extreme. We like extreme. Core inflation rate today at 130. Ooh. Ooh. Looks like I'm going to be trading tonight. Core inflation rate, month-on-month inflation rate. Yeah, this is going to move the market, guys. No question. So, sterling gains ahead of key data. The British pound appreciates towards the 128 level, moving closer to a over 5 months peak of 128.27. Touch the end of December. As investor, I just reckon. Traders have scaled back expectations of Bank of England rate cuts this year, with money markets currently pricing it in around 115 basis points of the Bank of England rate cuts in 2024. Interesting. Dollar slips ahead of US inflation data. There we go. That's the push. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. It's in that. Let's see if we're going to break that fair value gap. Just in the fair value gap now. It was 15 minutes, I believe. Or was it more? Was it an hour? No. What did we do that on? Can't remember now. Maybe it got invalidated whilst we weren't on the screen, but it looks like it's holding. Now it's coming through. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's go, push. Bam, bam, let's go. Let's go, you know you want to. That's gone there. So, if you were watching the video of the basic trading, this is a perfect example, right? We broke above the high, but we didn't get any swing low violated. This was the first one that got violated, and this is the big violation now. So you'll probably be entering if there's no fair value gap on the hour, let's see. There's nothing there. There. That's where we found it. Okay, I wasn't crazy. So your basic entry would be there. And what you're looking for, remember, on that video is 10 pips. If you haven't seen the video, go and watch it. It's literally the recent, the simplest strategy. It goes off on bias. It goes for entry. And you can manage this if you have a risk reward system that you're working on. 5 pips, 5 pip stop to make 10 pips. So that would be 2 for 1. You would need to do something like that. Nice little strategy. Simple stuff. Right, how we doing, guys? Let's see the chat. Let's get some Discord glasses. I want to see who's here, who's listening. Let's get some activity into the chat. I'll be the first one to put some Discord glass. If you're enjoying the analysis and everything we do on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday now, I'm going to try commit if there's interest. So let's put some Discord glasses if we're enjoying the stream, and also if we're looking forward to this price pushing up here. Let's manifest it. Do you know what's funny? Someone who's listening on the stream, they might think that I'm in a trade already because of the excitement. The excitement is because of the patience. The excitement is because I'm patient about this price going higher. And if I see it going higher, then I get even more excited. There we go. There's some glasses coming in. Hello, Kumar, Martin, DXYs, Batish, all the regulars are in. Good stuff. Good stuff. Here we go. Mr. Trades, Philip. Always second after, you know, every day. Appreciate that. Big shout out to all the Discord members, the new members. We had 2 Discord Vanguard members. We got Deddy, and 2 females who joined us yesterday. I'm still waiting for you to join on the Vanguard calls so we can meet the faces. It's so different when you get to meet face to face with someone, because you can really tell if he's going to be a person who's going to become part of the tribe, or if he's going to be a person who's going to check things out and then filter out the system, as they say. But great to chat with everyone yesterday. You do seem more animated today. I'll tell you why, Martin. It's because I had 1 hour and a half of testosterone boosting in a CrossFit gym with a personal trainer shouting, doing snatches, which I haven't done in like 6 years. So he was saying my form was perfect. You would expect that from a previous Olympic coach, but you never know. When you get older, things get a little bit more scratchy. Piotr, what's your name? Yeah, I'm a Vanguard member, but I'm just listening and reading only for now. Speak up, guys. Let's get the community. I think it's always better when we get to know each other, know what we're working on, know how we can improve. And you've got some really, really cool, valuable members in there. One is in here. You can see him, Martin. Mart is his actual name. 6 years of ICT knowledge. One of the he actually did the original ICT membership. So a lot of knowledge that he has in that brain, and also a really, really nice guy. So, and Ali, who's here. Ali is normally very keen to go straight into the detail. He loves the detail. As you can see, he'll come in. If you go to the second comment, he's already announcing 1276 sell with around 40 pips. I really like the gang. They're a really, really nice gang. Oh, it's Peter. Okay. Now it makes sense. Right. It's because I'm getting handsome. Must be the Balia. No, generally, and hands down, when you're a dad, your energy levels just get squeezed from everywhere, especially if you're trying. Yesterday was an example, and I think being able to share that with the group on the Q&A, to have like that 2-hour conversation with these guys. I did a video on the basic trade. I rushed back. I had to pick up my son. Then I had to cook. And then I had to prepare the presentation. And after that, joined the guys, and we had a very insightful chat. But after that, I was just like exhausted, absolutely shattered. So knowing that, I'm going to be more prepared for like next week. Wednesdays are going to be when I'm going to be posting a video. So that means I can prepare it from tomorrow, let's say. Q&A presentations, I don't want to be working over the weekend. So I can prepare that on Mondays. And that way I can be fresh for the lives, fresh for the Q&As. And that's when you're going to get the most value out of me. I'm going to get the most value out of you. And that's what the community and the tribe is all about. Right, so look at this. How much did it deliver actually? What's this move? It looks like a 10 pip move. Is it a 10 pip move? That candle there's a rejection. 11 pips. Okay, come on then. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Push. Give us a nice close above the highs. Let's do it. Let's do it. Manifesting. Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. Either way, so you can do pound dollar if you're listening. You can do these two things. Go down, crash down, fill this order here. up to that order block there. That would be great, because then potentially I might be interested into trading this into that intraday. Otherwise, let's just push above straight away, and then we'll align with the DXM. I caught the highs this morning. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. You've been on a roll, as they say. So from the highs, we're sitting currently, we did 17 pips. I was tempted, I'm not gonna lie, I was tempted to take this, but I was just waiting for a better, that's my new motto. Just what is that perfect entry that I can wait for? Yes, I might miss some, right? But for me, this is my only income, so I want to make sure I can make this job as less stressful as possible. And I want to find, if this is moving high, I just don't want to be taking early positions. That will be my new, because last year I was very good, caught the perfect highs, would get like $500, but it was on the edge. It would be like $500, got my money out, and then it could crash down. So if I hadn't closed, potentially I would have been courting, I had to deal with a bigger trade. So this year I'm looking for, okay, the profits might not be as big as last year, but it will be more manageable, less stressful, and I can let the compound interest build my accounts. Darwin X can build up, Fivers can build up, and like we were discussing in the Q&As, become less stressful. The less stressed we are, the better decisions we make, especially if we know all the NLP work that we have in tools wise. Let's get to a level where we're happy to come and trade. How about that? Not happy to gamble, happy because we know it's not going to be a stressful day. That's the aim. Right, so nice 1 hour fair value gap. That is the silver bullet, I believe. That would be the silver bullet. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Nice delivery there. So if we go on to the 5 minute. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, no silver bullet position there. Unless you're trading lower time frames. If you're trading lower time frames, you could potentially get this right there. That's your entry. But it hasn't done 15 pips, so it doesn't justify a silver bullet yet, unless you're holding it and this pushes lower. But that would be the entry there. That's if you're trading the pre-market 1 hour before into the open. Rajiv, nice to see you. Long time. How are you doing? How is the IT world? Unplugging and plugging the computers, still working? Rajiv trades a lot of indices. Any high frequency trader, but I think now he's calmed down after Scruffy putting some sense to his mind. I get you. I started my bike training on Tuesday and felt great after 2. Yeah, exercise, man. And I was watching this video on a doctor who's actually, you should all watch this. It's a must. I'm gonna find the video now. There he is. A great podcast. Here, I'll put it on the screen. Free advertising for the Diary of CAO. I don't think he cares, since this video has 4.2 million. Jesus Christ, this is a big account. Muhammad Ali. I have scanned 250,000 brains. It goes into detail, like it's eye-opening, absolutely eye-opening. I'll post that into the chat. It will change your life, guys. It's 1 hour, it's 2 hours, but it will change your point of view in a lot of things, especially about how much we can support the brain through our daily activities, such as exercise or moving, sending more blood supply to the brain. How is coffee, for instance, which I like, affects the brain? Yeah, a lot of different things. A lot of different things. So it is an eye-opener. One thing I won't be able to change is my coffee, but hopefully I am compensating for the coffee with other things. I eat very healthy. Today after training, I just had a nice breast of chicken with some steamed vegetables and sweet potatoes. Yummy. And I'm down 3.5 kilos, so we're getting there. Come on, pound dollar, let's do it. Let's do it. You want to, I can see it. I can always smell it. I'm smelling it. I'm smelling this. Let's do it. What is the, let's see where we are on right, RSI Bollinger. Let's see where that is. I haven't seen that for a while. Like we said in the past, Bollingers, RSIs, MACDs work on currencies. I wouldn't use them on indices, right? Because they can skew what you think is happening. But we have come from the low here, pushing up now. Nice little confirmation of what we're looking. Where is PMT? Overview. Increasing. We can see here the 6 EMA is starting to cross the 24 EMA as well. Actually the 72. So there is a slight shift there. News-wise, we can see that today we have what we discussed earlier. We also have, is this today? 10th, or no, 11th we need. 11th of Jan. Initial jobless claims. CPI. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Let's look at the correlations. Euro USD is 91.6% correlated at this moment of time. Even the DXM, everyone is doing the same for the pound dollar with the euro dollar. Yeah, so this is the game. So what would I normally do? Martin, I think the no goes for the coffee. What would I normally do, right? So without the lives, what I would normally do now, I would just leave the chart. Honestly, I would just leave. Because what I'm interested in is here. Let's make that an interesting color. And here. Those are the two areas that I'm interested in. So what can I do? I just leave. Look, if you look on the hourly, and we zoom in, that's going to take a few hours to play out. So it's either going to go down here, or it's going to go there, or it's going to consolidate there. If it consolidates there, what do? I don't trade. Damianos. A very Greek name, Damianos. Καλημέρα. Did an 2022 ICT entry on Euros USD. Price took the equal lows. Sell side at 109.751. Sorry. Show the MSF and entered on the 3-minute candle. Fair value gap. Let me know what your thoughts. Did you make money on it? If you made money on it, good stuff. The ICT entry. Let's see what you saw. Price took the equal lows. Sell side at 109.751. This one. Market shift and entered on a 3-minute candle. Okay, so 3-minute. Did you go? 109.750. 109.750. 750. I think you went long, right? So you're saying took out sell side, pushed in here, took this going upwards. Okay, with the 2022 mentorship, what, and Damiane, if you're happy for me to share my thoughts, I don't want to influence your trading. So I'll wait for you to say, yeah, I'm not going to be influenced by what you say, and then I will tell you what I think. But obviously you're in a trade, so that might influence you what I'm going to say. But yeah, I'll wait for your response to see if you want me to share my thoughts. Whilst we do that, guys, can you like the channel? Can you like, please? Let's do it. Do that for me. I think I'll try and help a lot of you. That is one way you can help back, by pressing like, even sharing. That's another big one for YouTube. If you can share the live to like a Facebook group or something, that increases engagement. I'll wait for them, Janos. Yeah, you are long, haven't closed it yet. Let's see what happens. Take these areas out. Now you know where I'm looking. What about DXY? Did we fill that gap? Not yet. Not yet. Bro, are you in a trade? Not yet. Not yet. Nothing to trade for me yet. What I do want to see is the I want to see the Forex. No, let's go on Finviz. All right, latest subscriber. Let's see who that was. I remember that long. Latest is Chris. Wait. Chris G. For a second, I thought it said Chris B. That was one of my athletes back in my canoeing day. I was like, oh, is that who Chris is? Welcome, Chris G. Chris G. I won't be ever. Good morning, Rafa. I won't be ever taking long in premium. Learning that on my last red day from you, Yanis. Well, there we go. So Batisha's kind of given it away. But Lamjanos hasn't yet told me if I can give my thoughts. So I won't give him my thoughts because I don't want to influence his trade. Hello, Vin Smoke. Yeah, so what we're seeing is we want to see this fill the gap. I don't like that we have a gap. But what would be perfect for us now, because I want to be involved in a short position, I would like to see this come down and find this. So that would mean that the pound dollar would push up into this area where I'm interested in. And if it can do it in the next hour, that would be great. Shorted pound dollar at 12764. 1264. Okay. Do you trade gold? No, I stay away from gold. Gold is pretty much like trading the dollar index. Risk on would be when there's risk on situations against the USD and the economy of the US, everyone goes and piles money into gold. So it's quite okay. So we've got the okay from the Llanos. My biggest thing about this is that we're in extreme levels of previous daily high. Right, let's look at the weekly for a second. Let's look at the swings. What's all this? Damn, I need to delete all this. Where is the closest swing high and swing low? The most obvious one. We should be able to see that. When we throw on a weekly. There's one move that hasn't yet broken the high or the low. Can we all see that? If we can see it, put a thumbs up. And then I'll tell you what it is. Let's put a thumbs up. I can see it, so I can put a thumbs up. Where is the thumbs up? I'm gonna put this guy. I can see it. Can you guys see it? Pound dollar, I can see here we're going up on 0.18. Let's put it on the that's it. Keep going. Come on, buddy. Rafa can see it. Martin can see it. Batish can see it. DXYs can see it. This is the first thing, guys. We need to be able to identify the most interesting move in the last, I don't know, 20, 25 weeks. Let's see how many candles this is. 28 candles. So this is the biggest move. And this is the rejection down here. Right? This is the swing high and the swing low on the weekly. Now, what do? Throw on a Fibonacci on that. And we put an equilibrium on it. Where are we now? Are we above or below the equilibrium? Obviously we're above. What's above equilibrium? We've got premium arena. Okay, in terms of the weekly, how high up are we in the premium arena? You could argue not much because we're close to that equilibrium. We're just hovering above it. So pretty much on equilibrium. Now we've got that information, we can delete that and we can go down to our daily. This is pretty much a summary of the video we did on a different asset. So we know that this is premium. So do I want to be lining up with a buy or a sell? Where is my daily? We're trading above previous daily high. So the weekly we're in premium. The previous day we're in premium. Okay. Now you could argue there's a big interest to get into this arena here, which would be what? Would be better for shorting, right? Because it would give you a nice push into higher prices. We like higher prices because it gives you even more premium. It would be a daily fair value gap. It looks like it would be in the 61.8. You can, like we said, like you found there, trade it to the upside towards that. The only problem is, because you mentioned 2022, for you to trade this with 2022 in a long position, you need to be below equilibrium, right? To be trading that long. So the price needs to be around here, down here, going upwards. Now the 2022 play is on the downside here, because we broke the previous daily high, and you would go on a 15-minute. Are we outside the previous daily high? Have we taken liquidity? Yes. Have we taken the big liquidity? Not yet. But we have taken the Asian highs, and now it's breaking lower. So now you'll be looking for a fair value gap, somewhere to get in to short this down. That would be the 2022 membership play. Does that make sense? Yeah, Chris, you're absolutely right. We've been looking at that. We've even labeled it with a blue box. We're waiting for it. But I would like this to push down first. That would be great. If it pushed down, that means pound dollar would have gone up, would have given me a better price up here, and then I would like to sell the hell out of it. But as it stands now, this was very interesting before, because this was pushing aggressively closer to the gap, but the pound dollar was not moving much. It wasn't like crashing down. So that was interesting. So I think we're holding quite well. We've taken liquidity and we're holding, so there is opportunity for this to come up. Obviously we've got sell side, buy side above here. I don't want to put too many lines on there. Let's take this out. That's Forex, guys. That's being consistent in Forex. You just wait. You don't get involved in price action that is low probability. Absolute simplicity. It is. Don't make it complicated. In the simple strategy, literally, what's the weekly saying? What's the daily saying? Do you have a setup? No. Okay. How about Aussie dollar? I go on the Aussie dollar, go onto the weekly, zoom out. Where's the biggest move here? What high swing high hasn't been broken yet. This one. Okay, so I put my line in there. Nice. I put my other line in there. Where are we? Are we in premium or discount? We are in premium. We're quite nicely in premium. So we're quite high up. This was nice. So on the weekly, we're looking for short opportunities. On the daily, drop the daily on. We're above previous daily high. Nice. So we have two things that align with us. Now we go on the 15-minute. Oops. Have we taken highs? We have. We haven't taken this high yet, but we have taken this high above the previous daily high. So what would we be looking for? We will be looking for a break of this structure. If this breaks down, comes and fills a fair value gap, 10 pips. Easy peasy. Doesn't happen. We go on to USD CHF. Weekly. How quickly can you do an analysis? This is as quickly as it gets, as simple as it gets. Where's the clean swing high, swing low? I can't bloody see a clean swing high, swing low. What do? Ignore it. You grab a big one of these, like that, and you ignore it. Why? No clean chart of a swing high and swing low. This is probably the biggest move there, but it broke below it. What do? Avoid it. What about NOK USD? Where's the cleanest swing high, swing low? Boom, there. Boom, there. Where are we trading? Fibonacci, below 50. Boom. We're in discount. Change that to green. Where are we on the daily? Tiny candles. That's telling you that the volume is expecting a big move. But where are we on the daily? We are in premium. Boom. Change that, equilibrium. Take that out. $0.16. So we haven't moved yet on the pound dollar. I can see that by the change here. We're hovering around the same price. Take that out. Where are we? We're above premium. Okay, I'm not looking for anything yet. I want this to come down. Why? Because my weekly is long. Can I trade this? No. Next. CAD JPY. Oh, I've labeled this. I've got my scruffy levels on here. Must have been ages. Weekly repetition makes perfect, or not perfect, makes improvements. Swing high, swing low. Can we see it? I can see it. Can you? This is where people might get a bit confused. Do I take this high or take this high? This has retraced more. Let's close this. Why do I take this and not this? Because this move has retraced back into 76.4. Why? You can tell because you can put a Fibonacci level there, put it to the bottom, 76.4 retracement. So I grab that and put it on there. Swing high, swing low, 50%. Where are we? We're in premium. Change that color to red. That is on your weekly. Go on your daily. Where are we? Previous daily high. So we can tell already that we're in previous daily high, so that we don't have to do the rest. So has it taken previous daily high? It looks like it's interested. Equal highs. What do we do? Wait for this to take the highs. When it's taken the highs, what do we do? Wait for a swing low. Boom, boom. Where's your swing low? There. How do I trade this? Breaks the swing low, comes back, finds a fair value gap. 10 pips. Now that you've done so many, you can put an alert where? Throw in on an alert above these highs. If it breaks, alert me. Okay. Change that color to our alert. Close that. Done. Within 15 minutes, you can go through all your pairs, and you can do the same on DXY, so you can have a big overview of what you're looking for on the DXY. Where's the swing high, swing low? Right there. And right there for the weekly. Where are we? It can very quickly, it can get repetitive, right? Get the 50%. Boom. 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 Green zone. What do we do in green zone? We're looking for long opportunities. What's the daily saying? The daily is saying that we are, let me just close that now that we know. We're below previous daily, which is great. Previous daily low. Previous daily high. The high, we change it to the red. We need our Fibonacci. Get on the 50 retracement. That is equilibrium. Get rid of these. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Where are we? We are below, way below previous daily low. We are weekly, looking at green. We can find opportunities for long. Now let's go on the 15-minute. Did it take the lows? It took the lows. Where did it take the lows? It took the lows here. Was there an entry opportunity? Pushed up, pushed down, and it's pushing up. Fair value gaps. Where's the fair value gap? There. So I can't see a fair value gap on the 15-minute. What can I do? I go lower. Is there a fair value gap on the 5? Taking the highs, comes back down. That's one there. Is there any better price I could have got? No. That's the one. Entry. Waiting for 10 pips. So 10 pips on the DXY I would have to do, is it 100? I think we have to do 100. I'm not sure. I don't know the DXY. Is that 10 pips on the DXY? If that's 10 pips, we did that. So someone was saying in the chat. Simple charts, simple analysis, simple trades. That's what trading is. Yanis, how would you draw premium and discount on a 15-minute chart today? Which low you will be considered to anchor fib? I wouldn't put Fibonacci's on 15s. If that makes sense, guys, let's put an 100. I think that was a lot of value in that. I would normally do that as a masterclass, but since you're here and you're watching, you saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 charts analyzed within 15 minutes. Let's get what should we put? Where is the 100? Let me find it. Let's do the 100. If we agree that that was fire. Or you can put the fire. Question about USD or Aussie USD. There is a daily fair value gap around 0.675. So can price reach there? One 0.67750. 7750. All the way up there, you mean? There's a gap on a daily. Oh, fair value gap, you mean? You mean this one? Yeah, I mean, the higher you can go, the better. If you're short in this. However, the fundamentals are currently long, so I would wait for a very premium price if I was to short this. That would be my opinion anyway. But obviously this is not financial advice, as we always say. This is just for fun. You always should do your own analysis and take your own trades, right? Pound dollar. What are you been up to? What have you been up to? Let's see. Coming back to retest the fair value gap. Okay, we've got some hearts. We've got Rich. Hello, Rich, fellow Vanguard. Inner Scope. Red Rioja. Casey Chong. Martin. Rain Life. And Juz. I can't see it. Jay. Is this Jay from Vanguard? No, Jay, it can't be, because Jay would be, you're trading too slow and too small. The answer to that is a lot of experience with losses, a lot of experience with manipulation. I've started, guys, I'm still learning. I'm not like a 50-year-old experienced trader. But my edge is understanding my inner world, my neural world, and how it reacts to the markets. So I know that if I trade something out of extremes, then I'm almost like married to that trade, and I have to make it work. And I do my repositioning, and I make my profits. My edge this year is actually taking the perfect trades. And when I get the perfect trades, I can load them up. Because I'll be at extreme levels. I have a solid plan. I can add my fundamental edge, which comes from PMT. And then I can take the trade confidently, close the screen, do whatever I want to do, come back in a few hours, and see the profits. I want to be, this year's goal is to make a lot more money, but to make clever money. What is the intraday fib? Intraday fib is on the 4 hour. Anything below the day that I've seen as a fib, I've put it as intraday. So that high to that high, 61.8 intraday, 76.4 intraday would be my target for the day. I do hope this works for Martin because he's taken the high. However, I do also want it to come back and get another pit stop, and then I can join Martin. Maybe you can take your profit first, Martin, and then I'll get involved in this. What's Bloomberg saying? Let's see. Nothing interesting. All right, let's do our normal daily pause. You ready? Where are the charts? So, every day we do this. Take a second. Don't look at the chart. You don't have to look at me, my ugly face. You can look at your view if you want. And think of something else. We should be able to switch off from the screens at any moment of time. If we're not able to do that, it means we're either oversized, we haven't got confidence in ourselves or our strategy, we have a lot of limiting beliefs or a lot of work to do on imposter syndrome and all that stuff that can creep up in trading. How often do you close your screens? Just take a break. Nothing's changed. If I remember, pound dollar was hovering around going up 0.16 to 0.14 or something. Do we think it's going to change the next 2 minutes? I don't think so. We haven't got any events going on, so chill out. Put some music on, grab a coffee, chat to friends, join lives, the best live on YouTube. Speak to people like the Vanguard's in here and everyone else is in here, and chill down. There we go, we're back. What's changed? Let's see. Pound dollar. 0.15. Crazy. Wow, how much money was lost and made on a 1 minute? Let's look at that. Feel our energy when we're discussing charts on the 1 hour. Now, let's look at this. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh, I can't swear. Whoa, we're taking liquidity. It's happening. There's the wick. Now we're going to push higher. Look at these equal highs. Oh my God, it's going to get it. Am I going to miss this opportunity? Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, if I put 2 lots in this. Oh. Yes, this can happen. And I can be a millionaire. Look at that. Perfect. Equal low there. Rejections. People will be joining the live now that will actually think that I'm trying to trade this. Oh, we're having another push. Oh, look at this. Oh, we've taken the lows. We've taken the lows. This is it, guys. This is the move. We're going to get 1 pip. Don't do that to yourself. Don't. Nothing changing in the last 2 days in London session. Where do I live in Bali? Like your own house, or like where are you sitting on? We are in the area of Canggu. In Bali, and we're looking to build our own house actually. It's quite exciting. Just about to confirm land. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, look at this, look at this. Look, on the 1 hour, when things are moving, you know things are moving. Go on, Martin. Where are we? Must be getting close to 20 pips now. Taking the lows now. I actually thought you were serious then. That's what YouTube is though. I can literally go, look at the 1 minute. This move looks ridiculous. There we go, taking the lows. Oh. We're trading above the fair value gap. This is the move. Ooh. Look at the viewership go up. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Are we going to hold the 1 hour fair value gap? Let's see. Remember, for me, I'm quite neutral in this. So the further down we start coming, at this moment of time, as it's coming down, if there's like a weighing machine, bullish, bearish, the lower we come, the more bullish we're starting to look for. The higher we push, the more bearish we start to look for. I'm a reversal trader, as always. Now, we need another 10 pips to hit the previous daily high. Are we closing the gap? That's a good point, Chris. Let's go on DXY. There we go. There we go. Let's push. Push up. Let's get that previous daily low. Let's go. 102.342. Hi, Mikkel. $10 pips short. Good jobs, guys. Good job. Aussie dollar. It's not giving you the simple entry that we're talking about. Euro dollar is breaking the previous daily highs. Took out the highs. Nice little possible opportunity here. I might be interested in this. Let's see. Let's put an alert. Nice little push down now. That means the pound dollar should be coming down. Oh, we've got an alert. Wait, really? That's the wrong alert. Why? I'm confused. I wanted this alert. Why is it giving me this? Crossing 1 hour. Only once. Okay, I'm going to have to do it like this. Alert. So that should give me an alert. Pound dollar. Here we go. Where are we? It looks like we're breaking the 23 possibly. We're holding the 23 exactly now. Are we going to have that close? Are we going to have that close? What time is it? 5:12. It's going to take a while for this. Breaker on Aussie dollar. Let's see. Nice little area there as well. Where is the previous daily high? Interesting. keep an eye on that Aussie dollar. We had decrease in net positives on the Aussie. We're down to 18%. Shorts are increasing from 9% to 21%. Look at me getting interested of something not pound dollar. Who do I blame for that? Someone mentioned it. Fair enough. I blame you. Damn. That's interesting. What's the volatility on this? Not bad. 1%, 0.9. Just 10 pips. 13. Price has been squeezing. What I mean is this, squeezing upwards. What about the daily? I don't like this. see. The what was I doing? Oh yeah, this. What's the other stuff doing? Oh, pound is dropping. Pound is dropping. Okay. Okay. Martin must be happy, surely. $20 pips. We're breaking below 20. Oh, you're out? Martin's out. Good job, buddy. So Aussie dollar 0.4 DXY. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. To the pip. Damn. That's crazy, isn't it? This is the actual dollar. And it's actually gone to the pip. Can take that out now. $23.50 has got another $100. Well, the basic system would have made you money. You saw that. Pound dollar. Okay, so we've broken 23. Previous daily high. Okay. Fill the fair value gap, and we filled DXY. How big is our daily range or yesterday's range? Okay, 50. Not too bad. Not too bad. 25. Yeah. Might be. What's this? Let's close this. Come on. 28. What time is that in the UK? 9:30. Hi Martin. Oh, another Martin. Sidelined for the day. Misjudged dollar's ability to close that gap. Yeah, I never go against the gap. Even though sometimes I don't close, especially when it's the dollar, I normally just wait. Or I trade towards the gap. Plenty of room. Camera's freezed. That means my phone has died. Let's change the camera. Okay, that is entered there. I'm gonna put a quarter of a position on that. Touching the previous daily now. Normal position will be like one lot, but we're in previous daily high. So, and we have filled DXY, which is getting close to the 50%. I've noticed that for the 5S traders, they've lowered the cost again. It went to $4.5 per lot, and it's gone back to $4 now, which is interesting. Oh, I need to add my... Actually, I might add my Darwin X a bit lower. The lows is $200. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spread my position. So if this retraces back to 61, that will be, I got in somewhere here, 25 pips. So that would be $50. That would be my second entry. What's happened to the Aussie dollar? Let's keep some size because I like what I see here. Holding below the previous daily low. High, sorry. DXY. Let's put an alert for the 50. Looks like it's going to tap into it soon. I want an alert for the 61. And I want an alert for the 76. Big, strong candle. That is a convincing push to close the gap. Let's have a look at the news. What's the dollar index called here? I'm gonna have to Google that. Okay, a bit more action today. That's fun. Let's see what happens. Nice little area where we can start building an idea. What we're looking for is a continuation. We've broken to the 23, so it's highly likely that it will come to the 50, potentially to the 76.4. Got a nice little fair value gap there. Because of the gap, there could be a reaction. There could be a strong reaction, but we'll see. Pound dollar has been weak. Pretty even with the USD. Fun times to be alive. Ali, wait, Bonnie, your camera. Hopefully you've sorted the camera. It might be looking a bit weird. Let me see. Foggy and all that stuff. That. Probably not. Maybe something like that. Blue skies. So we're back at the 61.8 on the intraday. Euro dollar. Euro dollar never decided to come back, just pushed down. Pound dollar. Let's move. Show us something. Either way. Charge that one. Maybe I should have entered my Darwin. I'll wait for this though. What was my entry? 127463. 1, 2. to boom, boom, ba, 463. There we go. Okay, so that's the first. That is 30 pips. 30 pips. What would that be like? $75. Ali, Yanis, not trading related to use. Do I ski or snowboard? Board. No, I'm horrible at both of those things because they require my legs to work. So, I've got skinny long legs. And basketball's injuries didn't help. Ali says, ranked in 624 now in Darwin 0. Still no allocation score. That can very easily change. Remember, I literally, let me check. I've only done, I need to put my VPN on. So if I go, I haven't traded today, but I will find a trade hopefully later on today for Darwin X. The Darwin X account is too small to enter this high, so if I'm longing, I have to enter lower. I've opened an account with them. So it's an account, literally like a Darwin. I don't know what they use, but I logged in at there. I would show you, but it doesn't let me, because in Indonesia you have to have a VPN to access it. And when I put a VPN, the internet just crashes. So, I am currently sitting in 400th and 435th position. Don't know if you can see that. Let's see. 435, which gives an allocation of 25,000. I do want to go higher this time. But what I wanted to say to Yali is my return. Where's my current return? Oh, stuck. Here, let me do that. I'll see if I can access it. Darwin, no.
Build wealth.
Close that. I believe now you can see, let me see if it works. Yeah, so the return so far since inception has been 7%, 7.7%. January, I'm sitting at 0.77%, less than a percentage. Don't. Close this. Actually, I might help. Right, so pound dollar has decided to hold that 38.2. Come on. Either push down or push up. Do something. You know that meme where you just touch it, do something. Was it the IBKR account you created? No. Let me see. They have 3 options, I think. One is via Interactive Brokers. My account is just literally Darwin MT5. Oh, alert on Aussie. I do want to see that. Let's see. I love alerts. That's perfect. Back into this level here. Actually, I might have my trade. I can enter from here. My phone. If I go Aussie dollar, this will be 0.2. Let's see. Is it going to go above the previous daily high? Maybe I'll add an alert here. Pound dollar. How quickly do you reckon we'll hit 10k subs? That will be a big one. And as we said, we're going to celebrate with a 1 month free Vanguard. Ali says, I'm 6% since inception, but just started 12th of December with the test phase, and since 1 week I'm live silver. Amazing, man. Pound dollar should go up from here, but my trade is sell 127.90. 127.90. Have you been selling since no? Are you waiting for 127.90? Up here. We're still in premium though. This can easily push down. We've just only come back to the previous daily high. And we have news later on as well. So we need to be quite clever with piling up positions, especially when news is coming. We don't want to have to deal with big size when news is around. Okay, let's see. What time is it? Probably time to put Leah to bed. Bro, do you trade Euro and why? I trade all the majors now, if there's an opportunity. I haven't seen something in the Euro now. Aussie dollar is getting closer. I might test this out. I haven't traded the Aussie dollar a lot, so I might give it a little 0.25 lot. See how it behaves. That's through there. Let's see if it goes to that midpoint. What is this? Oh, it's just 1 pip. That movement looks like a lot, but it's not. It's only like 1 pip. Let's see, Aussie dollar. Maybe. Hi, Daddy. I am good. Just been chatting about Forex. Just get my camera 1 sec. Oh, there's a big alarms on Aussie dollar. Okay, I think we might try this. Wait, is this Darwin X? No. Okay, so I shorted that. I don't have a lot of experience with the Aussie dollar, so we'll see how this goes. 06713. 13137. Let's think of this one. So weekly up there, it is 15 pips there. 60 pips for that. Just go on the hour. Where can I change? There we go. Camera's back. So we have two positions now. One on the Aussie, one on the pound. Let's take off the TP. Am I gonna hold your? Are you gonna hold your trades through CPI? Yeah, sure. I've only got like a quarter of a position on each of these. GU price down, confusing me on the daily. Guess this is January price action. So January can be interesting. Your long pound dollar and Aussie dollar. There's positive correlation, you know, I don't like to trade correlation pairs, Aussie dollar, and yeah, let's have a look at that. Pound dollar is most correlated with, it's negative correlated with Aussie yen, Aussie franc, negative Aussie New Zealand. Pound dollar is positive correlated. Let's have a look at that. Where is it? Correlation. Click the wrong thing, I think. Pound Aussie. Yeah, could be correlated. I'm just trading what I see here. Maybe I shouldn't. We'll find out. First time I'm trading the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar, I have been looking at fundamentally that this could be a potentially opportunity. That's why I got interested. I am aligning with the dumb money though. We'll see. COD data has been decreasing though. Gone from 14.8 to 21.9s. Short positions. We have decreasing in percentage net longs, potentially getting closer to a swap. We'll see. It's all learning. We'll see. If this goes wrong, then we learn from it. I'm actually selling Aussie and buying pound. Bum, bum, bum. Pound dollar, I won't be getting involved. I think this pushes down to 76.4, I believe. Let's have a look. Down here, 61.8. Daily Fibonacci retracement. But I was thinking about this. Even if they are correlated, one could possibly pay off, right? Because one will be wrong and the other one can be repositioned. So both of these charts have given me an interest to trade what I'm seeing. If they're correlated, obviously one will be right. The other one might be at a different position where it has to be repositioned. But both of them have given me an indication that I want to get involved in it. So it will be interesting to see what happens. Swing trading, yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't say I'm a swing trader. Even though I hold trades 2 to 3 days sometimes with repositioning, but I wouldn't say my intention is swing. My only swing trading that I do is my investments. We're 5 pips in on the Aussie dollar. Nice little entry there. The reason of the analysis for that, we had been weekly in premium. Right, we discussed of the swings. Swing high, swing low, we're way in premium. Above previous daily high, we had taken the highs of the Asia session. We traded below. The only fair value gap opportunity, okay, I missed that, but it came back, found that opportunity there to trade back into the fair value gap for 10 pips. So we'll see if that delivers. You can leave that, forget it. If this goes the other way, obviously we've got sell side above, buy side above. And we have a plan on how to reposition based on the weekly, which is only 15 pips away. So not much to do there, but more interested around this 62 pip move, which is about on that order block as well. So that would be interesting to see. It normally delivers. We're doing 0.11%. It's coming down nicely. Pound dollar, I won't be touching this until it gets to yeah, CPI, I can't show you actually because I haven't got the VPN on, but CPI will move the market, even if it moves it, let's say 100 pips, which it won't, it will do like 30, 40 pips. My plan of these are 30 pips, So worst case scenario, it can move it to 50. Then I could have 2 positions in. It would just make things faster. Best case scenario, going up. When would I not get involved? If I was 1, 2, 3, 4 positions in, I would probably want to get out of that. Or I would have my stop really tight. Because then I'm just letting my, it's not part of my trade. Yeah, it's a bit gamble. Pound dollar pushing down. This must be close. 16. Taking the low now. Oh, there's an alert for something. What's that? DXY crossing. What's it crossing? 0.5. We retrace to the 50. Nice little indication there. Now, are we going to sell off or are we going higher? Fair value gap filled. What's that? So that's 25. It has found this area. Go on the hour. We're in that fair value gap now. What is this? This is retracement of 61. Probably want to be out at 61, which is just below 10 pips. We'll see if that lands there. If not, this could easily push to the highs, but let's keep it, let's keep it 10 pips. Plus, how much does it cost me? 0.25. If we had $1 on that, that will cover the cost. $26. Okay, and the pound dollar. Let's keep an eye on the pound dollar. Just need to see 76.4. I think it's lower. What's this? So 30 pips on a 0.25. So that will be. Oh, another alert. We must be on the 60. Oh, what alarm was that then? Okay, maybe it told me. Bit of rejecting there now. That's the reaction we're seeing. There. And the dollar there. Could this be the end of the push up for the DXY, or are we pushing to the 61.8? Big questions to be answered. But it is 6 o'clock. And I think we're going to be closing the live, guys. That's what I see. Yeah, I agree. Maybe 50% retracement. Normally it can go to the 61.8 or at least somewhere in the golden zone. So we'll see if it pushes a little bit higher and gives us the 20 pips on the Aussie dollar, 10 pips. I hope you've enjoyed the stream, guys. Make sure you like it. Actually, just do it now. Just do me a favor. Let's do a like. And then we'll go to the 60 likes for this live. If we can improve by 1 like on each stream, if you've learned something, let me know. We did a detailed analysis on all the pairs. I think it was quite a good session. We were patient. We found the opportunities that we were looking for, and now we're managing them. That's trading. You don't want to get in and be nervous about, oh, is it going to work in the next minute? Or is it going to work, we know it's going to work. right? All our trades that we take are gonna work. It's just managing them properly. And the reason we took, and this is an example why we took the 0.25, is because we can see the pound dollar pushing. If I had put one lot on this, it would be 4 times what the drawdown is now. So that would be $200 down. We can recognize that we're in premium, so we don't have to have big risk. We can decrease the risk. And as we are going down to more discounted prices, then we can start building our position up. I am grateful to learn patience with NDOG in the dollar. Okay, guys, I hope you had a good one. Make sure you smash that like button, as they always say, as it does help. And I will see you tomorrow, our last live of the week. Be careful with the CPI. Make sure you're not too oversized if you're trading it. And I will see you all tomorrow.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweating, tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time.